Hey Anthony, this is Russell. I thought I was filming the whole time, but apparently I was in photo, not video. But yeah, everything's running really nice. Really good power, especially for a big, heavy truck at this elevation. These are horrendously heavy tires. I think they're 17 or 20 ply, 44-inch crane and military tires, basically. But yeah, great power. All the way out to the rev limiter, which is really nice. Really nice air fuel curves, especially floating down the highway, barely on the throttle, 14.7 up to 15, and then coming down a hill a little bit higher, which is totally fine. Yeah, this ECU is learning really fast. Let me give it some light throttle here just to kind of show you. Yeah, that's what I want to see. The bumps always throw it off because I bump my pedal a little bit, but yeah, really nice ECU. The harness is really nice. I ended up actually using a Ford Rotunda because I'm out of harnesses, so just built this one from scratch using that for the connector. But I'll get the next harness whipped out, that way I don't really waste any time, you know, putting my harness back in if I've got another one to build. So I'll get that one built tonight, get yours pulled and loom labeled and heading out your way.